Daniella. I live with my fiance Sam and my cavapoo Freddie. We live in Pencoed. We've been in the house about a year and we fully renovated everything. As we were fully renovating our house, we decided to do the kitchen. This is the heart of the home, so we really wanted a statement kitchen. We knew the designer that did our kitchen, who worked for Sigma 3, so we were already recommended to the company. We're quite decisive, so we had an idea of what we wanted. Going into the showroom, it really helped us look at the displays and decide what colours we wanted to go for in there. Kerry was really helpful. She showed us all of the different colours and the different options, like matte versus gloss, and she just really helped us decide what we wanted. We wanted to go for a neutral coloured cupboard so that we could change it over time if we wanted to, so take out some of the blush accessories and add in a different colour to update it, but we wanted a neutral kitchen that if we ever decide to move that everyone would love. We went into the showroom and Kerry showed us the render of the kitchen. We made a couple of changes like adding the wine rack in. Just these personal touches really helped us make the kitchen more personal to us. Our favourite design feature is that the kitchen is really open plan. We just love the overall feel and the open space kitchen vibe. As first home renovators, we didn't really know what to expect when we were doing our house. I definitely have some tips. Be realistic with your budget. Know where to invest the budget in, so if you really want stone countertops, if you really want a particular type of cupboard, to invest it in the things that you really want. As a bathroom designer myself, I'd be recommending Sigma 3 to some of my customers to get their kitchen from. Coming from a design background, I'm already familiar with the software that Sigma 3 use. I think that they do it really well, and I would definitely recommend them to anyone that's looking to have their kitchen done.